blending of vowel E with other letters or other consonants. Let us read E plus T, it. E plus N, N. E plus D, ed. E plus G, egg. E plus B, ebb. First we will see some of the examples with et words, et words. First picture, J-E-T, jet. Second picture, M-E-T, met. Third picture, N-E-T, net. Fourth picture, P-E-T, pet. Last picture, W-E-T, wet. These are the examples for et words. More words, bet, get, let, set, yet. Let me repeat again. Bet, get, let, set, et. Let us read. I let my pet get wet. I met Sam in a jet. These are about et words, that is E plus T, et. Next we are studying about N words, E plus N, N words. First image, D-E-N, den. Second image, H-E-N, hen. Third image, M-E-N, men. Fourth image, P-E-N, pen. Fifth image, T-E-N, ten. More words, B-E-N, ben. Let us read. 10 men went to see a den. 10 men went to see a den. Second sentence, the hen sat on a pen. Next is about E plus D, ed words. First picture, B-E-D, bed. Second picture, R-E-D, red. Third picture, W-E-D, wed. More words, F-E-D, fed, L-E-D, led. Let us read. I sat on a bed and fed my cat. These are about ed words, E plus D, ed words. Next we are studying about ebb words, E plus B, ebb. The first image is web, W-E-B, web. Next we are studying about E plus G words, egg. First image, L-E-G, leg. Second image, K-E-G, kedge. Third image, P-E-G, peg. Let us read. I saw a web on the peg. Next, we have matched the picture with the word. So the first image is wet, W-E-T, wet. So second column alli wet ellide anta search ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First word ಏನಿದೆ hen, H-E-N. Second, L-E-G, leg. Third, W-E-T, wet. Yes, so match the first picture with wet. Second image or picture is bed, B-E-D, bed. So where is the bed in the second column? First is hen, second is leg, third is wet, fourth is net, and fifth is bed, B-E-D, bed. So match the second picture with bed. Third picture, net, N-E-T, net. Net ellide anta search ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First one, no. Second, no. Third, no. Next, yes, N-E-T, net. Next image is hen, H-E, hen. So the first we have to search in the second column. Yes, first word itself, hen, H-E-N, hen. So match the fourth image with hen. Next is about pen. So pen ellide anta search ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First is hen, second is leg, third is wet, fourth is net, fifth is bed, and the last is pen. So match the fifth image with pen. The last image is leg. ಸೊ ಲೆಗ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಲೆಗ್, LEG, leg. So next exercise, circle or write the odd one out. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. JET ಜೆಟ್, MET ಮೆಟ್, PEN ಪೆನ್, WET ವೆಟ್. ಸೊ JET, MET, WET, these are the words with et words, ಅಂದರೆ ET ಇದೆ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ PEN ಪೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ EN ವರ್ಡ್ N. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆನ್. ಸೌಂಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಲಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸೌಂಡ್ನ ಲಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜೆಟ್, ಮೆಟ್, ವೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಆದರೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇಸ್ N ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಪೆನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ PEG ಪೆಗ್, LEG ಲೆಗ್, BEG ಬೆಗ್, SET ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ PEG ಪೆಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ EG, leg is also with EG, egg, B with EG, that is egg. So all are with EG words. So SET ಮಾತ್ರ with et words, ET ಇದೆ. So the odd one is SET set, et set word. Next is a third box, LEG leg, RED red, BED bed, WED ed. ಸೊ ಲೆಗ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಗ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಗ್, E+G ಎಗ್. ಆದರೆ RED, BED, WEDಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ಆಡ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಸ್ leg because it sounds as egg sound. Next box, BEN ben, TEN ten, BET bet, DEN den. So ben, ten, den are with N words, E plus N, N words. ಆದರೆ BET ಮಾತ್ರ E plus T et words. So the odd one out is bet. So circle the bet. Blending of vowel I with consonants. Let us read. I plus T it, I plus N in, I plus D it, I plus G ig, I plus B ib, I plus P ip, I plus X ix. So now we shall read about I plus T it words. The first image, FIT fit, second image HIT hit, third image LIT lit, fourth image PIT pit, fifth image SIT sit, sixth image KIT kit. More words, BIT bit, WIT wit. Let us read. Sam do not sit in a pit, do not hit the kit. These are about I plus T it words. Next we are studying about I plus N in words. First image BIN bin, second image FIN fin, third image PIN pin, TIN tin, fifth image WIN win. More words, SIN sin, KIN kin. Let us read. Put the tin in the bin. I saw a pin in the tin. So which are the IN in words in this sentences? First sentence alli yavdide? Put the tin in the bin. So which are the IN words? Tin and bin. Next, I saw a pin in the tin. Which are the IN or in words? PIN pin, IN in, and the TIN tin. Next we are studying about I plus D it words. First image we have lid, L-I-D, lid. Second image we have K-I-D, kid. More words, B-I-D, bid, D-I-D, did, R-I-D, rid, H-I-D, hid. Let us read. The kid hid the lid in a bin. Which are the id words here? First is kid, K-I-D, kid. Next is H-I-D, hid. Next, L-I-D, lid. Yes, you were right. Next we are studying about I plus G, ig words. The first image we have big, B-I-G, big. Second image D-I-G, dig. Third image F-I-G, fig. Fourth image W-I-G, wig. Fifth image P-I-G, pig. More words, J-I-G, jig. Let us read. The pig is big, E ate the fig. E likes to dig and do a jig. So which are the words with IG or ig words? Pig, big, fig, dig, jig. These are the ig words. Next we are studying about ib words, I plus B. First picture NIB, nib. Second picture BIB, bib. Third picture RIB, rib. Fourth, these are about the IB words, that is ib words. Next we are studying about IX words, X. First picture SIX, six. Second picture MIX, mix. More words about IX words are FIX, fix. Let us read. I wear a bib when I mix. Here IB word is BIB, bib, ib. Next is about IX, that is X words, MIX, mix. Next we are studying about IP words, ip, I plus P, ip. So the first picture DIP, dip. First picture ಏನಿದೆ DIP, dip. Second picture LIP, lip. Third picture SIP, sip. Fourth picture ZIP, zip. Fifth picture TIP, tip. Sixth picture HIP, hip. Let us read. Take a sip, zip up your lips. So ip words ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರಿ SIP, sip. ZIP, zip. LIP, yes, lips. LIP, that is IP. So these are about the blending of vowel I. This you can do it by yourself. Look at the picture and write the word on your 4-line notebook. First image is pig, P-I-G, pig. Second image is bin, B-I-N, bin. Next image 6, S-I-X, 6. Next image fig, F-I-G, fig. Next image B-I-B, bib. Next image hit, H-I-T, hit. Next image B-I-G, big. And the last image SIP, sip. The next exercise, write words on your notebook which end with same sound. So the first word is FIT, fit. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, I plus T, ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಿಟ್ಗೆ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ HIT, ಹಿಟ್, HIT, ಹಿಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗಿವನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್, SIT, ಸಿಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ WIG, ವಿಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, I plus G, ಇಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ BIG, ಬಿಗ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸಲ್ಲಿ P-I-G, pig. So first box of the first given space alli B-I-G, big. Next space alli P-I-G, pig. Next word ಏನಿದೆ tin, T-I-N, tin. So the words should contain I plus an in sound ಅಥವಾ in word ಇರಬೇಕು. So the examples for tin, the rhyming examples for tin: B-I-N, bin, P-I-N, pin, B-I-N, P-I-N, pin. Next exercise: circle or write the correct word. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇಮೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದೇನು? ಹಿಡ್ಡ, ಲಿಡ್ಡ? ಎಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಡ್. ಲಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ದ utensils, L-I-D. So tick or circle around the lid. Next is J-I-G, D-I-G. What the person is doing is digging. So D-I-G, dig. Next is picture alle ide clean agi nodidre K-I-T. So you have to write as kit. It is a kit. Kit contains number of objects in it. Next is fin or sin. It is a fin. Fishes have fin. That is F-I-N, fin. So tick the or circle fin. Let us continue the blending of O and U vowel in next video. Thank you and do subscribe.